Hello and welcome to the Bed Mobility and Stretching Program. This introductory video will help you get the most out of the program. Each week you'll have 4 different bed routines, which you can do at any time of day depending on your schedule and how your body is feeling. Each video will tell you which body part or region we'll be focusing on, as well as which positions we'll be using, including lying down, seated, kneeling, and on the edge of the bed. I have structured the program so that there's always one full body routine every single week. The other 3 videos are more targeted routines that can help you address stiffness in specific body parts or regions. Each week also has a bonus video which is designed to be done at a specific time of day. By the end of the program, you'll have learned a wide variety of positions and exercises that you can return to whenever your body needs them, so that in the future you can create your own mobility practices based on how you're feeling from day to day. As far as equipment goes, all you need is your bed and a pillow. I'm so excited that you have decided to prioritize your mobility, and I'm excited to guide you through 4 weeks of movement. This program is designed to help you improve your flexibility, mobility, range of motion, and awareness of how your body moves and feels. Additionally, if you choose to move with me in the mornings, you might notice an increased sense of calm and awareness throughout your day. Likewise, if you move with me in the evenings, you might notice that you are more relaxed and can sleep better. Remember, every day is different. Some days you might feel like doing a full body routine, while others you might want to do a shorter, more targeted session depending on how your body's feeling. There is no right or wrong way to move through this program. You don't need to complete every video or follow the weeks exactly. Feel free to revisit your favorite routines. You can skip ahead, you can come back and repeat a week, or just choose the session that your body is needing today. The goal is not perfection. It's just to help you move a little bit more, become more aware of your body, and give you a collection of mobility practices you can return to for years to come. Whenever you're ready, let's get started.